This is Joe from YoChicago.com. I'm in the Ravenswood neighborhood, directly across the street from Kindred Hospital and steps from the Chicago River and Horner Park. Join me for a walk through one of the apartments at Rockwell Manor. I'm in the foyer of apartment 440402, a 2-bedroom, 1-bath. It's a coat closet straight ahead, heading into the living area, looking at oak flooring that extends throughout the apartment. Ceiling fan. There's radiator heat. Turning into a completely updated kitchen. Granite countertops, a 4-burner gas range. Dishwasher, an undermount stainless steel sink. Built-in microwave. Espresso stained cabinetry, very good cabinet and counter space. Door goes out to a small back porch. Headed toward the bedrooms. They split off a common hallway. Bath is fresh, has a deep soaking tub. White vanity, wall-mounted medicine cabinet up above. Dome lighting, window for natural light. You got the second of the 2 bedrooms. Ceiling fan again. Looking out on Montrose. And the bedroom has a wide closet with double hanging and mirrored doors. Second bedroom is almost identical in size and also has a wide closet with mirrored doors and a ceiling fan. Rockwell Manor has an appealing location, very attractive apartments, a variety of layouts. Definitely want to have it on your must-see list. Head to the building's website to see floor plans and near real-time rent and availability info.